Hello, welcome back. Today I'm working on the CNC routers electronics. This is the stuff which I bought from Canada. We've got a bit of wiring to do. We've got 3 power supplies, we've got 4 servo drives, we've got big capacitor banks, and an Ethernet smooth stepper. We've got to get all the AC hooked up to all the power supplies, and then all the DC hooked up to the drives, and all the control signals from the Ethernet smooth stepper hooked up to the drives as well. It's not necessarily ideal as far as how I'd like to. I'd love to have this just on a steel plate in a control cabinet, but at the moment just trying to get things done relatively cheaply and get it going. So it's on a MDF sheet. I wanted to get a bigger MDF sheet, but it wouldn't fit in the car with the puppy dog, so I went with a smaller MDF sheet. So we'll see how we go getting everything fitted on here, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we're at the point of wiring up the I/O from the stepper drives over here to the Ethernet smooth stepper. I'm doing something a little bit different with this build compared to the last ones I've done, in that my general purpose I/O, which goes out to panel connectors for limits and such, is on this stack of barrier blocks. I've got 3.3 volt, 12 volt and ground rails here, so I can the 3.3 volts, so I can put a resistor from the 3.3 volt rail up to the signal if I need to do a pull-up, as is the case with the tool setter, just to make life easy. And then we'll have the ports from the Ethernet smooth stepper here go over to these sets of terminal blocks. There's 17 pins worth of terminal block here, and each port has 17 pins worth of I/O on it. Rather than using a breakup board, I'm using these terminal blocks, and I'll just be running ribbon from here to here. The electronics are basically done now. We've got the final 12 connections to the I/O. I've got 10 color ribbons, so I'm just going to do 10 connections from the port 2 of the Ethernet smooth stepper up to the I/O breakout stack there, and then we're done. Everything's wired, everything's ready to go.